Today we are making this beautiful tote bag using our old jeans material and my leftover checked material. So let's begin. The measurement for the jeans material is 8 by 18 inches. My checked material is 10 by 18 inches. My stripe is 25 inches by 1.5. My lining is 18 inches by 18 inches. We are going to attach the jeans material and the checked material together and sew. We are going to sew on both material. We are going to cut 1 inch by 1 inch at the bottom. This is to give the bag a flat base. Sew along the sides. Sew across the corners as I'm doing. This is to give the tote bag a flat base. We are going to do the same with the lining. We are going to leave a small opening for the turning our bag. Next, we are going to attach our stripe. We are measuring 4 inches. So that's where we are going to attach our stripe. You pin and then you sew on both sides. Next, we are going to attach our lining. Tuck the lining inside as I'm doing. Right side facing right side. And sew along the top edge. Turn the bag inside out through that small opening, push out the corners neatly, and give it a good press. We are going to sew along the top edge. That is for a good finishing. Here is our finished bag. Simple and stylish. It's perfect for carrying books and shopping. Like, share, and subscribe the video. Thank you for watching.